Hi, I'm Curtis Boyd, and in this video, I am going to show you how to do online reputation management. In the past few years, it's become increasingly important for businesses to maintain a positive online presence. This is because people nowadays turn to Google search before they buy something or engage with any business on social media. And that means that your first impression matters more than ever. So, if you're looking for ways to improve your company's digital footprint, then keep watching. I've got some great tips just for you. If you have a web presence, then there's the possibility that your company could be negatively impacted by someone saying something bad about you online. This can happen from an angry customer or competitor, or even a disgruntled employee who decides to go on the attack and try to hurt your business. While it may not seem like much of a problem at first glance, these situations are actually quite damaging when left unchecked. That's why reputation management has become so popular in recent years. Businesses today realize how important it is to protect their image online. Reputation management is a vital part of modern business. A poor reputation can damage your brand and affect sales, but good PR ensures that you are seen in a positive light by both customers and potential new clients. Online reviews are one of the most effective methods for managing your online reputation, as they give prospective buyers an insight into how others have experienced working with you or using your services. Online reputation management is the practice of monitoring and managing online information about a business in order to protect and improve their online reputation. Objection.co is an online reputation management company that offers affordable, reliable services and have become the solution of many businesses as they experience negative content being released about them by internet trolls. Using Objection.co powerful suite of tools, you can easily identify your illegitimate reviews and dispute them promptly. Visit Objection.co to learn more.